everyone, I'm Tracy, studying engineering in Cambridge University. I attended the G37's HASSE Space School. The day spent there was probably a turning point for me. I was in secondary school at that time and had no idea of things like how my future will be like, how could we apply our knowledge learned in school into real life, or what kind of role I will take in the society. I just didn't know anything. It was the space school that allowed me to see things clearly, that allows me to find out that I'm so close to those cutting-edge technologies. I still remember the moment when I walked into the Apollo mission control room. We grew up here in the Apollo mission. It was truly a grand project. It seemed to be far away from me. However, I did walk into that room. I did touch the tables, which were used by those experts. I did see all kinds of control buttons in front of me. It was in there, using those things, that they sent a human onto the moon. I used to think that these kind of cutting-edge projects are very far away from me. But when I walked into that room, I realized that they can be very close to us. We can do similar things in the future as well. Those days, we did our own small project while looking at the big rockets lying around, as well as hearing the stories from astronauts who went to the International Space Station. Those astronauts were normal people just like you and me as well. At that time, I felt that we can eventually do such big projects as well. Those rockets, those space stations, I feel that we can do it, participate in those amazing things eventually. I always think that amongst all the summer or winter schools I've been to, this space school is definitely the most worthwhile one. By the way, I wrote this experience in my personal statement when applying for university. And when I went to my interview in Imperial College, my interviewer had a 10-minute chat with me regarding this experience. And she actually said that she was jealous of me being able to go into NASA and the mission control room. The experience I gained in the space school will always be with me. I feel like I have opened my eyes and saw my passion and potential, as well as the possible connections between myself and the cutting-edge technologies. And of course, the connection with the society. I will always remember the shocking moment when I walked into the Apollo mission control room. Regardless of where I am, where I am going to be in the future, I will always remember that. We are not far away from those grand projects.